So for the most part, everything in here is in like an overview, fast lapse thing. But I slowed it down just a little bit here to show you how I really enjoyed watching the cows and what they were doing. They just give me such great joy and such laughter and happiness with them. I wanted to share that with all of you too. So you saw as Luke and I were starting to take the clips off of the chains, they were very curious as to what we were doing and investigating every little bit of everything we were doing. And then here comes the farmer with the bobcat, and we use that so that we can put the panels on. And here we are getting ready to open up that first panel. And I had to just laugh with these cows. They were like, freedom! And they loved every second of it. They cracked me up. They were running and jumping for joy. You'll see here in a little bit, they just kind of circle around us like, are we supposed to do this? Is this okay? And if you pay attention, there is one particular cow, which is my matron, my mama cow, Miss Moo Moo. I mean, she's got all her names, but it's Molly Moo Cow. And she'll come back and check on me and check on things and make sure everything is okay. So if you notice, there's one cow that kind of leads the group, but yet, make sure that she doesn't get too far. And later you'll see, we check on them. They go back to where the old pen was. And so, yeah, enjoy this little bit of them running around. Oh, we've got the one who couldn't quite, there's Mama, who couldn't quite figure out how to get out. But once we got enough panels out, she did. She joined the group, and it was just a lot of fun watching them kick and have a wonderful time. I hope that you enjoyed it as much as I did, because that day I laughed and laughed and laughed, and I needed that laugh. We all need to laugh, don't we? Good times. And my animals give me that pleasure. I hope that you sit back, enjoy the rest of the building fence project with us, because it won't take long to get this whipped up and done. Hey folks, so a new year meant a new digs for the cows. So let's go check on them this morning and see how they're doing. Our camera had died yesterday, so I didn't get to show you the finished product, but here they are. They seem to be really happy. We wanted to get them moved somewhere where it wasn't all trampled down and blocking from the north wind. Yes, no judgment. We've got some tree trimming to do, but for now, the girls have a place out of the wind to go to. Here's our Tilly. Hi, Miss Tilly. She's due to have Babe in March. And then this is, who we got here? This is Junebug. I can't remember. She is pregnant. Don't remember her due date. Maybe June. And then back there, we've got the two mamas that were just recently bred. We're not sure whether or not they are with child or not with child. No, with calf. We weren't unsure yet, but they're all coming because they're wanting their treats and their loves and all the things. And for those of you watching that don't know a lot about dairy animals, if you happen to see some of their ribs, that's perfectly normal. If you don't see a little bit of that, they're probably too fat. Dairy animals, that is just the way they are. And if they get too big, kind of like Miss Junebug, I was a little worried about her, whether or not we were going to be able to get her bred. She did eventually, after a few tries, get bred. She'd gotten a little too much, a little too hefty, and that will affect their actual fertility health and other health too. So anyway, that's just a little tidbit for you if you did not know that. Guys, thanks for coming along today as we move the cows to some different digs. That's how we do things around here. We're working on building that permanent fence. But until then, we just kind of like to swap them around on the property, give them a new place every once in a while. And so that's how we do things here. So glad that you're here. We'll see you next time. Bye for now. Hey, morning. Come here. Come on. Come say hi. Come on. You want your breakfast? Was it a rough night? Was it enough rough night, buddy? All right, time for breakfast. Well, good morning. Good morning, Tamar. Hey. Tell the people good morning. Hi. Hey, curiousness. What you doing? Run for me. Get you. Run. Get you. Run. Where's my treat? Where's my treats? I want my treats. All right, I'll go get you some treats.